Hey Medicos, welcome back. My DMs are filled with many messages like sir, we are in second year, we are in first year, क्या करे, कौन सा ऐप लगाए, Prepladder या Maro, we are so confused. So today I will try to share my experience with you. So let's discuss about which app is better, Prepladder or Maro. I also collect many reviews again for this video. So let's discuss it. Let's talk about the faculty. So in Maro, I'm not going to tell each and every faculty here, बट जो बेस्ट टीचर्स है मैं उनके नाम बता रहा. सो फॉर ऑर्थोपेडिक्स डॉक्टर अब्बास अली, फॉर सर्जरी डॉक्टर रोहन खंडेलवाल, फॉर फार्माकोलॉजी डॉक्टर रंजन कुमार पटेल, फॉर फिजियोलॉजी डॉक्टर कृष्ण कुमार, ऑब्सगाइनी डॉक्टर साक्षी अरोरा, and for ENT Dr. Manisha Sinha. These are the star faculties in Maro. While in Prepladder, Dr. Rajesh Kaushal for anatomy, Dr. Smiley for biochemistry, Dr. Sparsh Gupta for pathology, Dr. Govindrai Garg for pharmacology, Dr. Vivek Jain for PSM, Dr. Pritish Singh for surgery, Dr. Deepak Marwa for medicine, and Dr. Apurva Mehra for orthopedics. So these are the star faculties in Prepladder. Also for physiology, Vivek Nagdikar is a good teacher. So both apps is built by your favorite teacher and incredible roster of faculties. So which app provides better content? Preparation is not depends upon the size of content. It depends upon the quality of content. Both apps content is sufficient and complete for your preparation. Content of Prepladder is crisp and concise. But don't worry, कोई भी ऐप चूज करो, you will get video lectures in it, question bank, treasures in Prepladder, so pearls in Maro, past year questions, grand test, mock test. So both app provides this content. So what are the differences between Maro and Prepladder? Let's talk about the Maro. Maro is very conceptual but lengthy. Starting with videos, clinical subjects are good, especially surgery, gynecology, ENT, ophthalmology. They are just awesome. Medicine is too lengthy. Short subjects are just okay, except radiology, which is great. It is very difficult to revise the content of Maro. Yes, the question bank of Maro is very good and extensive, but Maro is very lengthy and time consuming. Revision is very difficult. You will have to take whole 19 subjects at a time. Why you will take whole 19 subjects in first year and in second year? It is waste of your money. Yes, while in Prepladder you can take prop plans for first year and second year. Yes, क्वेश्चन बैंक्स इज ग्रेट इन मैरो बट एक्सप्लेनेशंस आर टू लेंदी. सो आप उसे बुक मार्क करके रखेंगे एंड एट द एंड आप इतने बुक मार्क कर चुके होंगे कि आप उसे फिर से रिवाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द Prepladder. सो इन Prepladder द सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक एनाटॉमी, पैथोलॉजी, फार्माकोलॉजी, मेडिसिन, PSM, forensic, psychiatry, pediatrics, orthopedics, these subjects having best faculty. Clinicals are good. There is no replacement for Deepak Marwa sir for medicine lecture. The explanations are to the points. The content of Prepladder is very concise and more competitive approach. In Prepladder, there is rapid revision program. Yes, from this rapid revision program, you can revise your content many times before examination, and from this rapid revision, strike rates are very high. One of the best pros for Prepladder is you can switch between Hindi and English, which is Prepladder called as English. आपको जो लैंग्वेज अच्छी लगती है आप उसमें शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. Prepladder having also option for preparation of FMG. So there is one another section for FMG. Content for FMG is concise and sufficient for FMG students, and which is very useful for FMG peoples, and it is also proved. About notes, so if you are in first and second year or in third minor, you can make your own notes and prefer to make handwritten notes because आप at the end handwritten notes easily revise कर सकते हैं as compared to the ready-made notes. But if you are in final year, you are in internship, you can purchase directly notes from both the app. दोनों apps में note available है, so you can take it. Notes में ज़्यादा कुछ difference नहीं है according to content. आपकी वजह से notes है. So let's talk about the subscription plans for both the apps. Let's talk about the Maro. So these are the plans for Maro. Here you can see आप max to max 3 years का subscription plan ले सकते हैं. So here the price for 3 years is 66,000, right? And in Prepladder, look over here, the price for 3 year is 49,000 plus 2 months extra. So this is the price difference between both apps. And yes, price matter करती है. So what is the conclusion? So in first and second year, I must say your preparation at your own level, like self studies, doing clinical posting, MCQ solving, all matters more than what kind of app you are using. फर्स्ट सेकेंड ईयर में आपने स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स ही पढ़ने चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है. बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू परचेज एनी ऐप, पेपलैडर इज़ द बेस्ट ऐप फॉर यू. अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हैं देन why to waste money on 19 subjects? So that's why you can take pro plans from Prepladder. Before purchasing any plan, think for how much time you have in exams. Are you able to do 90% of app which you are going to purchase along with 3 compulsory revisions? So look for total hours duration of videos before purchasing. If your vision is clear, which is best for you, go with it. Keep the next points. Multiple revision of limited course is far better than studying or covering a large portion of course. If you are intern, post-intern or final year student, you can choose Prepladder. Rest all students can choose any of Marrow or Prepladder. If you need proof-wise subjects, then you should go with Prepladder. This analysis is made up after a lot of research and survey amongst students. In third year, you can take Marrow because आपके पास अच्छा खासा समय है for NEET PG or next PG. In both the apps, the content is updated according to the next PG pattern, so don't worry about it. So आप कोई भी ऐप यूज़ करो, ओके. आपने मैरो ले तो 3 साल के लिए आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन भी रहेगा एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टडी प्रीवियस 2 ईयर सब्जेक्ट्स इफ़ अगर आपने पढ़े नहीं होंगे, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टडी the next 2 year subjects like third minor and third major. So here you have your own choice, Marrow or Prepladder. So go with it. So this is my पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस एंड मैंने रिव्यूज़ भी लिया है इन माई इंस्टाग्राम चैनल. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ द जेन्युइन रिव्यू अबाउट both the app. Well, it depends on the students to students. Choose the plan according to yourself. Download the app and watch free videos and analyze it according to you. Stick to one source for any subject. Before questions and asking others about क्या करना है, कौन से plans लेना है, Prepladder या Marrow, ask yourself. You will get your answer. And also think for, are you able to retain which you have read? If you gain lot of value from watching this video, please hit the thumbs up button, which gives me lot of motivation to make more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy.